Welcome to day 3 of Wall Pilates challenge. I hope you enjoyed so far. In today's 10-minute workout, we are going to focus a little bit more on our obliques, which are the muscles on the sides of your tummy, and they help to balance a little bit more the right side and the left side and help with the rotation and with side bending, and we do those movements all the time, just getting out and into the car, turning to grab something. See if you can feel during the workout if you're really balanced on your right and left, or you have like one side a little bit stronger than the other. So just keep in mind that focus for today's workout, and let's get down onto the mat.
You're starting standing with your back against the wall. Let's bring the palms facing in and out. Your backs of the arms are still touching the wall, so you're just rotating your arms from the shoulders, squeezing a little bit into the shoulder blades. Good. Let's reach the right arm up, take it over to the side into the big side bend and reverse. Lengthen and exhale. Keep your back touching the wall. And release. Inhale, big lift. Exhale, take it over. Find a nice stretch on the side. Other side up. Exhale, pull the abdominals. Keep your ribs knit together. Let's do a couple more times. Good. Keep reaching the arm along through the fingertips. And keep your upper back and your head touching the wall. Okay, come back to center. Release the arm. Couple more times. Lift. Exhale. Take it over. Use your core to come back to center. Other side. Lift. And take it over and bring it back in. Let's step your feet a little bit more forward. Hands are on the hips. We're going to inhale. Do the wall sit. Draw the hips down and push through the heels on the way up. Good, so you're going down just about 90 degrees at the hips, at the knees. Your knees are over your ankles. Just watch the alignment there. Good. Inhale, slide down, keep touching the wall. Just watch your head, that your head is not going forward. And push. Inhale to lower, exhale. Glutes and quads. Try to engage them both on the lift. Good. Let's keep that nice hinge at the hips and just walk your feet. One heel up, one heel down. Good. Keep slight push into the wall with your pelvis and alternate. Lift as you lower the other side. Let's come all the way up. You're gonna go one more time down into the wall. Sit, lift the arms in front of you. Keep the elbows bent and open. Try to touch the backs of your arms towards the wall. Opening the chest, squeezing your mid-back. It's great for your posture, engaging those back muscles, and great mobility for the shoulders. In, exhale out. Just watch that you don't have any tension in the neck, and push yourself all the way up. We're going to step a little bit away from the wall. We're going to bring the right foot against the wall, so your heel could be slightly lifted. Front knee is over the ankle. Just make sure you still can see your toe. We're going to hinge your hips back to the wall, so you're bending from the hip joints and pushing up. So you're using that standing side to push away and lift. And nice connection into that foot that's touching the wall. Hinge back to the wall and lift. Use the front foot to push on the way up. Good. Keep your core tight to support your lower back. Support the stability on one side. Good. Hinge. We're gonna stay here. Hold it. Little pulses down, down. Keep pushing through the front heel. Good. Make sure your knees aligned over your ankle. Little pulses. Come up and release. Let's switch to the other side. Left foot is touching the wall. Keep slight push there. Chest is stay lifted. Good. You're gonna hinge from the hip joints. Go back and down. So your bum is going back to the wall a little bit as you push on the way up. Good. Use that front heel to exhale and press up on the return. Inhale to lower. Keep your core tight. Keep your body nice and centered. Doing one-sided work is great. It's again a challenge for your obliques. A great way to balance your sides. Let's hold it down there and add little pulses. Down and up. Small range. Good. Push through the front heel. It's a lot of work onto that right leg. Good. Come all the way up. Walk your feet. Shake them off. You're going to turn facing towards the wall. Draw those abdominals in. Push into the right arm and rotate away with the inhale and exhale towards your arm. Push as you turn out. Squeeze your shoulder blades and rotate your chest. So it's a lot of mobility into the shoulder blade on the right side. Good. Push. Keep that right arm straight. Feel that good connection to the wall. And rotate away. Drop that shoulder down and exhale. Bring it in. Keep your abs tight. Last one. And we're going to switch your hands. So left hand is pressing into the wall. Keep your elbows straight. Let's inhale, rotate away, drop that shoulder blade down and exhale towards the arm. Good. Open out, squeeze your mid-back and keep pushing into the wall, keeping the elbows straight. Good. Feel that you don't have any tension in the neck. So keep that left shoulder away from the ear. Nice. And a couple more times. Open out the chest and rotate with the exhale. Keep your abs tight. Good. Push away from the wall and we're going to transition on your back. Your feet are against the wall, knees about 90 degrees. Let's exhale, curl up, reach those arms forward and lower it back down. Exhale, curl. Think of stretching those arms, still reaching to the wall. Adds you a little bit more lift. And inhale, lengthen it back down, curl, reach through the arms, and I keep my palms facing up so that you get a nice opening into the front of the shoulders, and lower down, curl, reach the arms, keep that curl, and lengthen back down. Good, reach, good, bring the hands behind, and a couple more times, just warming up your abdominals here. Exhale, good, flatten the lower tummy on that lift and try to lift those shoulder blades a little bit more off the floor. Let's add the side bending. So keep the curl, think of reaching one hand closer to the wall, coming back to center and other side. So your shoulder goes down to the hip, good, and curl, good, sideways, side to side, through the center. Bring the hands behind the head and lower all the way back down. Sweep the arms around, come a little bit closer to the wall. We're going to keep the legs straight over the wall. Good, open the arms a little bit out to the sides to anchor your upper body. Inhale, bring the legs to the side, sliding over the wall, and exhale back to center. Squeeze those inner thighs together and feel engaging a little bit more lower abdominals on this exercise. Exhale, lift, inhale, over. So your pelvis will turn a little bit, but keep pushing through the backs of the arms to have the stability from the upper body, your mid-back. Good. Inhale, over to the left, exhale, back to center. Inhale, reach, squeeze the legs, scoop those lower abs to come back. Good, couple more times. Good, over, exhale, squeeze and lift. Good, bring yourself a little bit more away from the wall for the next exercise. Let's bring your feet against the wall, pushing slightly in. You're going to add a little bit of rotation, so curling up or rotating and bringing the knee towards the elbow. Good, up and over. Inhale, coming down. Exhale to twist. Reach and bring it down. Good, try to keep your pelvis nice and heavy against the mat. So the rotation is coming just from the upper body, from the ribs, from the shoulders. Good, up and over. Good, let's hold the rotation, tap the leg in and tap. Good, stretch through the knee and reach. Keep the curl, keep the twist, lower it back down. Other side, leg tap and in, tap. Keep lifting that left shoulder blade off the floor, in and release it back down. Keep that rotation going. Keep reaching that elbow to the knee. Good, 2 more sets in this exercise. Bring it down, exhale, rotate, tap it in and out. Keep scooping those lower abs, keeping your pelvis flat over the mat. Nice, and bring it down, last one. Rotate to the right, reach and tap. Good, try to keep your upper body lifted. And in, and release it down. Exhale, curl to the left. Good, keep reaching that elbow towards the knee. Few more, in and go back and down. Take a breath in, sweep the arms around, and we're going to transition into the side kneeling position. So let's bring the feet against the wall. You're on your forearm, lift those bottom ribs a little bit off the floor, and with the exhale, you're hinging the hips up, picking up those bottom ribs and lower down. Try to draw those abs in before you lift the hips to stabilize your pelvis. Nice. Exhale, lift, squeeze a little bit into the glutes to bring the hips forward. Lift with the exhale, inhale on the way down. Let's add the arm reach over the head. Exhale, up and over. Try to lift from those bottom ribs to engage that bottom oblique. Up and over and release. Make sure you're using the knees and your forearm for stability and release. Good, let's hold it here. Keep the hips up, tap the foot. Tap up and tap it down. Good, so you're opening from the hip joint, keeping the upper body stable. Good, let's add one more, the rotation. So, good, thread the arm through, reach to the back and bring it back to the side. Rotate your chest. Exhale, reach back and down and up with the inhale. Nice. Rotate and reach. Good. Keep drawing those abs in. Release it down and we're gonna switch to the other side. Again, your feet are against the wall. Forearm is on the mat. Pressing down, pick up those bottom ribs. Exhale, lift. And inhale to lower. Good. Keep squeezing your mid back. Keep that nice stability through the upper body. Good. Back and down with the hips. And again, pull those abs in just before you lift the hips off the floor. And let's add that arm reach over. Bring it back down. Exhale, up and over. Big stretch on the top line. Up and over. Inhale, release the hips. Couple more times. Nice. Last one. Squeeze into your bum. Let's lift the hips up and at the top. Good. Make sure you're leading with the knee, not the foot. So you're opening from the hip joint. Keep your abs tight. Keep lifting that bottom ribs. Let's add the rotation. Back into that side plank. Reach through, thread the arm, and up with the inhale, squeezing your mid back. Rotate. Good. Look where you're turning. So your head is doing the rotation with the rest of the body. And lift. Good. Rotate, exhale, and up. Release the hips. And let's stay into that kneeling position facing towards the wall. So let's push a little bit into the wall as if you're doing the push-up. With the exhale, we're pulling the elbow back, rotating the chest. Good. Try to keep your hips squared towards the wall and still pressing into the opposite arm. Exhale, pull, pull. Inhale, reconnect. Exhale, pull, pull, and reconnect. Good. Just adding the mobility through the upper body. Good. And let's inhale, lift the arm and rotate the chest. Keep that connection to the wall with the opposite arm. Try to keep the ribs pulled in so they're nice and close together. And big circle from the shoulder. Still working obliques, adding mobility through the upper body, through the shoulder. Great movement. Inhale, push up. Lean towards the wall. Exhale, push. Good. Your body is moving as all one piece, so keep your core tight. Keep your feet nice and relaxed on the mat. Press. Inhale, lower, and push. Try to keep your elbows tucked a little bit in, and bring it all the way. Great work, you guys, and I'll see you on day 4.